What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best VR headsets in 2019. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. In 5th place, we have the Google Daydream View. This is our pick for the best mobile VR headset. It is available at around $70. If you own an Android phone and want to get into VR without spending a fortune on a headset and computer setup, then you should consider this as an option. What makes this headset compelling is its price. It's also an easy headset for just about anyone to use. You just install an app on your phone, and once you're inside the VR world, navigating is easy with the included controller. As well as, it is made of microfibers and is easily one of the most comfortable headsets currently available. It has a 100-degree field of view, which ups the immersion factor for a mobile VR headset. It has also been growing its content library, boasting a beefy catalog of over 200 games and apps. The headset is compatible with a wide range of Android phones such as Google Pixel, Samsung, Motorola, Huawei, Asus, and more. You won't get the deeply immersive worlds of a higher-end PC-powered VR headset with this, but you will get a device that's made of a nice material, works with many of the best Android phones, and offers great entertainment. Some of the pros for this product include affordable price, intuitive, comfortable stylish design, and wide-ranging compatibility. A con for this product is it is not as visually sharp as other VR headsets. However, at this price, you can't expect too much. The Google Daydream View offers a great VR experience for Android phone owners with its cheap price, user-friendly build, and comfortable wear. In 4th place, we have the Oculus Rift S. This is our pick for the best PC VR headset. It is priced at around $400. This is an improvement over the previous Rift PC headset, adding overdue features like a higher resolution display and self-contained room tracking via 5 cameras. No more external cameras or sensors are needed, making it a lot easier to use casually. It's also easier to set up, potentially more comfortable to wear, and has a much more robust games library than it did at launch. You don't need to install any extra hardware, which is a huge help during setup. It has an ergonomic design, so it stays on tightly and comfortably even during fast motions, and it has improved optics for a brighter and sharper display. As well as, Oculus' collection of games and apps is excellent, and the Oculus Store is easy to browse for games for first-time Rift users. The headset still works in tandem with a PC to deliver virtual reality experiences. It connects to your PC over a USB 3.0 port and a DisplayPort connection, and is tethered to the machine by a lengthy cable that's more than enough to accommodate the room-scale experiences that it can deliver. Some of the pros for this product include crisp display, room tracking, comfortable design, and full software library. A con for this product is it still uses a cable to connect your PC. However, this allows for a more detailed, dynamic, and immersive experience. The Oculus Rift S is a PC-powered VR headset that has a brilliant display and in-headset room tracking, along with an ergonomic design. In 3rd place, we have the Sony PlayStation VR. This is our pick for the best console VR headset. It is available at around $350. There's no getting around the fact that in order to run high-end PC-powered headsets, you need a pretty high-end gaming PC, which is not an insignificant investment for most people. However, if you already have a PS4, then this is far and away the most affordable high-end VR option out there for you. Considering the sizable difference in power between the PS4 and PC, it is a surprisingly competent VR headset. Not only is it stylish and comfortable, but its refresh rate is responsive, and there are no issues with the reliability of its head tracking. Depending on the game, it can deliver a high refresh rate of 120 Hz, which allows for a great visual gaming experience. It has satisfactory graphics capabilities and motion tracking. It also offers 3D audio technology for accurate and realistic sounds. Thanks to Sony's backing, it features one of the best VR game libraries with heavy hitters and established VR hits. There were dozens available at launch, and many more have followed over the years. As well as, the headset is praised for its ease of use, intuitive move controllers, and impressive publisher support. Some of the pros for this product include striking design, excellent graphics, reliable motion tracking, and impressive game library. A con for this product is it lets in some light. However, most VR headsets have trouble sealing light out. The Sony PlayStation VR headset brings powerful and compelling virtual reality to the PlayStation 4 with worthy graphics and games. In second place, we have the Oculus Quest. This is our pick for the best standalone VR headset. It is priced at around $400. Simply put, this VR headset signals a new age for virtual reality, one that doesn't need a smartphone, PC, or console to run excellent experiences. It delivers games and an immersive experience anywhere with no wires and has self-contained tracking and full motion 6 degree of freedom motion controllers with vibration that can also track finger movements with VR gaming. It has an OLED display panel and is powered by a Snapdragon 835 processor. It also has a surprisingly great higher resolution display and built-in speakers, and apps are downloaded right to the headset's onboard storage. Unlike other headsets that require additional equipment, external sensors, or a lengthy setup process, once the headset is charged up, you can be up and running within a few minutes thanks to an easy setup within the Oculus mobile app. Thanks to the integrated sensors and computer algorithms, you can walk around in your designated play space without worrying about running into a wall or a piece of furniture. The system launched with 50 games but is rapidly expanding its repertoire. Some of the titles will be multiplayer or have cross-buy functionality, allowing you to play with Oculus Rift and Go owners. But the cherry on top is the casting ability, which lets you share your VR experience with others via smartphone or TV. Some of the pros for this product include wireless and self-contained, great touch controllers, stunning graphics, and room scalability. A con for this product is the short battery life at 2 to 3 hours. However, this is still the best standalone option out there. The Oculus Quest VR headset combines a wire-free experience with 6 degrees of freedom motion tracking and 2 controllers, all without the need for a separate smartphone, computer, or console to use it. And coming in first place, we have the HTC Vive Pro. This is our pick for the best overall VR headset. It is available at around $1,400. HTC's latest is the best VR headset on the market by some measure, with high-resolution AMOLED displays, integrated earphones with a built-in amplifier, and spatial 3D audio. There's no doubt this VR headset produces some of the best virtual reality experiences it's possible to get on the planet right now. But there are caveats. The headset is expensive, you need a fairly decent PC to run it from, and it can be a little complicated to set up. If you're a serious gamer who has both the financial and hardware resources for it, then it's definitely worth considering. You get some great graphical fidelity here, with a 1440 by 1600 pixel resolution on each of the 2 LCD screens, and the headset has been designed to be more comfortable to wear than its predecessor. It offers a higher resolution and can take games from good looking to gorgeous. It increases the sharpness of the image and decreases the screen door effect. There are also improvements to the weight distribution, and the addition of the built-in earphones help it sound and feel as good as it makes the games look. As well as, it comes with Stream VR tracking for accurate room scaling and included controllers for an immersive gaming experience. Some of the pros for this product include excellent VR experience, comfortable, improved visual fidelity, and high-resolution 3D spatial audio. A con for this product is the expensive price. However, the price includes the accessories, and it offers the absolute best VR experience right now. The HTC Vive Pro has deeply engaging visuals and audio, ideal for serious gamers who want to be fully immersed in their games. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.